in we had completed gymnastics. It means that
We have
Malakhamb.
completed the topic before this. Now we're going to start Kho, right?
Yes, we have to start Kho.
Okay. Okay. Can you read the first paragraph, dear?
Yes, sir, I will. Kho. Many historians believe that Kho, one of the most popular traditional sports of India, is a modified variation of
It is not variation. It is version.
run chess to catch by
Pursuit.
pursuit is what a game of Kho aims at. It is believed that in ancient times Kho was played on racks of cha- chariots and was known as Rachira. Nowadays, nowadays,
Nowadays.
nowadays, Kho is played with two, 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 two 12 member teams, but only 9 can play at a time. A match consists of innings of running and chasing of 9 minutes each.
Oh, okay, dear. Now here, just tell me, how many of you have played Kho
Sir,
in
No,
your
I,
school or
sir, I married.
okay?
sir, I Iman.
Hold on. Don't start attacking me just when I ask you the question. Just tell me, Marin, are you here? Is this your photo?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Okay. Then I think this is Alicia. No, Alicia is fat, not this thing. So Alicia, let me see where is Alicia. So Alicia, you are this one. Wondering what do I do? You don't know how to play the game.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I think this is Muskan
No,
trying to sleep everywhere,
no, sir.
isn't it? Okay, so anyways, you all must have played Kho at least once. Okay, so you
Yes,
all
sir.
know that how the sitting arrangement is. Two teams are there, and the team who sits here have to sit with the opposite faces in the opposite directions. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
here you know the way how to play because you have already done this practically. No need for the theory part. But here the history. You must know the history of the game, at least what you are playing. Okay. So here the history is given in the first paragraph. That is why I need to explain you this. That Kho is originally not the Kho. It is the modified version. It is changed version of run and chase. Now you know the meaning of run. But what is the meaning of run and chase? Can anyone tell me?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of run and chase? Here it is written, no?
Run,
Kho is a modified version of run and chase. What is run and chase?
run means that we want to run fastly, and chase means that we have to catch the people.
Yes. We need to run after the first person and need to chase them, need to run after them and hold them and catch them. So, so Kho is the modified version. Modified means a little bit changed version. Generally, when you play run and chase, you just run, you catch. Here, the line is sitting, one team is sitting, another team is out there. So, here it is a modified version, right? To catch by the pursuit is what a game of Kho aims at. So, main aim of the Kho is also to catch the person. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, it is believed that in the ancient times, Kho was played on the ruts or chariots. Do you know what is the meaning of Rath? Rath is the Hindi word. Okay, have you heard Rath Yatra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is basically the Hindu festival in which
Yes, sir.
many 150 to 200 kind of trucks go all over the Bhavnagar. You might have seen that. Now let me complete. Now, chariots means that only. Have you seen the horse cart? Horse cart. Horse is
Yes,
there, the cart is attached. So that
yes,
is a
sir.
big rath. In the ancient time, that was the rath. That was the vehicle people used for the transportation. Okay, that was the transportation means in short. So during the ancient days, people do not play this coco with their legs. They used to play on the rath. They used to catch each other on the horse. So they used to play on the Rath, and that's why the game previously was known as Rathera. Now it is known as Coco. It is very well known in across the countries of the world. But previously it was known as
Rathera.
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 There you are. Okay. Nowadays, Coco is played with two 12-member teams. That means two teams are there, and in each team, how many members are there?
12
12
members.
12. 12 members.
Loudly, loudly, I cannot hear. Loudly. How
12
many members
members.
are there?
Members. 12
12 members.
members. 12.
Okay. But only nine can play at a time. Only nine members can play at a time. Why so? Let me show it to you. See, eight members can sit here, seven members can sit here, eight member must be running to chase and to catch the one who is standing on this side, who is the opponent team member. Okay. So nine players in all can get engaged in the game at a time. And the other team members are waiting on the opposite side. Okay. So one team is sitting here, and one member from this team is chasing behind the runner. Okay. Now, who wants to read the next paragraph?
Can I Muskan?
I understand. I can read
Okay. Now,
that.
mute your mic.
Sir, can I Inshia?
Sir, I'm Malik Tahira.
Okay. Now, mute your mic. Tahira, read this.
8 members of the chasing team sit in a straight row, facing in opposite
Facing.
direction. Ninth member is the active
Chaser.
chaser. The running from other
What is this?
the runners
Read
of
properly.
the other team enter flat 3 at a time and can run between the players sitting in any manner, trying to get away from the active chaser. The chaser can only run around the central line and cannot go between the players. The chaser, however, can touch
Touch
a,
a
touch a member of his her team on the back,
shouting.
shouting "Kho," who in turn will run and catch the players of the opposite team. The, the team that take the least time to tap out all the
Opponents.
opponents in the fleet win the game.
Okay.
Like
Mute your mic.
further
Okay, now here what is explained here, the format of the game is explained, which you very well know because you are playing the game. Now you know that the member of this team can get up to catch the member of the other team who is running all over. Member of the opponent team, this one member who is of other team can run in any way zigzag. But the member who got up from here and who is chasing this member cannot run zigzag. She has to run in one direction only. If she is running like this, she cannot return back. This is what you know. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Moreover, if this member gets up and runs, she cannot get up and run zigzag from in between anywhere. She has to run in one sequence only. But the member of the opposite team who has come here as a runner can run in any way she wants. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. You are.
Yes, sir.
And one round
Yes, sir, you
is
are.
of and one round is of 9 minutes. How many minutes?
9 minutes.
9 minutes. 9 minutes.
If say for an example, if this team is able to score, 7 members, and if that team is able to score or make out 8 members, then the team who is winning in a less time, who is scoring more score in the less time will win. Okay, so this is what the format is. Okay, who will read the last 2 paragraphs?
Can
Okay,
I
I will
share?
select the names. Sayyada is there.
Yes, sir.
Read these 5 lines in short from here till last.
Yes, sir. Like other traditional Indian sport, Kho is simple in what is this, sir?
Inexpensive,
Inexpensive and enjoyable in de- develop surface. Yes,
physical,
yes, a physical fitness.
strength,
Threads feed uh, setting mark
stamina,
stamina and team sprint. The first Indian Kho Championship took place in 1959 under the Kho
hydration,
Federation of India. The sport was included in
included.
the included in the Indian Olympics. Ex-
Okay, no problem. Thank you. So, like the other traditional sports, Kho is simple, inexpensive, and enjoyable. See, we learnt 3 Indian sports here: Kabaddi, Malakham, and Kho. All the 3 are not at all expensive, means we do not need much money to either learn or play or participate in these kind of sports. Indian sports are such a good sport that it not only develops the physical strength of the person, but also speed get increased. We know how to work in the team. These all skills develop when you play the Indian sport in all these 3 sports mentioned in this lesson. The first Indian Kho Championship took place in 1959 under the Kho Federation of India. So this was the first time in the year 1959 when the first Kho Championship officially took place. And the sport was included in the Indian Olympic Association in the year of 1982. That is the end of our today's lesson. Now, take out your rough book quickly because we are going to write 2 things. Fill in the blanks and
I
match the
can't.
following. Just a minute. All the other students, take out your rough book. We are going to write two things: fill in the blanks and match the following, because hard words meaning given what we have already written. Yes, better now speak.
Excuse me, Rohan sir.
Yes, better.
Sir, we have not read hard words, meanings, and all these things.
Mm, you have not written, or your class has not written.
Our class has not written.
Are you pretty sure?
Yes, sir. I am very sure.
We will write it, don't worry. I mean, if possible, I will send you the PDF file, because in the boys' class, every single thing is written properly. Because that class was performing well, no? In your class, I have to take 3 lectures to explain one lesson. In that class, discipline was there, so we finished it soon. But no problem, I will send you the PDF in the group. Soon you will have to
Yes, sir.
complete the paragraph.
Yes.
So, someone was speaking something better.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
sir.
Rohan sir.
Sir, I can't
Okay,
understand this. Shaktiman.
do one thing. Three people speak together, and you only answer to each other. This is why in this class we are lacking behind. When I said that some girl was speaking, only you need to allow that girl to speak. Yes, beta. What doubt do you have?
Sir, I can't understand this. Satmina.
Where you are asking me?
Second paragraph in this.
This second paragraph.
Yes, sir. This.
Stamina.
Huh. Yes.
Meaning is written.
Yes, sir, I can't see that. Sorry.
Great people. Huh? Keep your observations alive. Keep your eyes open, please. That's why the meanings are written for you people so that you can understand it. How many of you are ready with your rough books? Just say yes sir and your name.
Sayyid
Yes, sir.
Anayan.
Miss Kar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Malkani Khadija.
Okay, fill in the blanks are here. Quickly start writing fill in the blanks. Just say yes sir and your name. As soon as you finish these five fill in the blanks, properly write it down with the spellings. Mute your mic. Someone's mic is on. Don't force me to ask you to leave the group.
Excuse me, Rohan sir.
You are not excused for now 3 minutes. In Kho, there are dash players and only dash members can play at a time. Answers are 12 and 9. Number 2, Kabaddi got its name from the Tamil word dash. Answer is Kaipidi. Number 3, dash has declared Malakham as their state sport. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Number 4, Kho is a modified version of dash. Answer is run and chase. And the last, number 5, Thoda requires the skill of dash. Answer is archery.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is mean by thoda?
Name of game. That means you were not listening to me when I was explaining you the first paragraph of this chapter.
Amma.
Mute your mic. Who is this Meera Mayuddin?
Harpa.
What happened?
Sir, I can return The 5 FD.
You have
Written the 5 FD.
all the five you have completed.
Yes, sir.
Oh, 5G speed.
Thank you, sir.
So, Arfa, that Swachh Bharat noise was coming from your background?
No, sir.
I thought you joined that Swachh Bharat van or what? See, if you are driving that Swachh Bharat van, please don't turn on the mic.
No, sir. There was not my that Iman sound.
I thought you joined that job.
No, sir.
Then Iman Fatima, you joined that van or what?
Sir, my mic is not there. It's Meera Arfa's mic.
But
Iman.
Iman Fatima, you joined that Swachh Bharat or what?
What, sir? Please repeat.
You were driving that car of Swachh Bharat?
No.
I thought you joined that job.
No.
Like a cow is mowing. No. Kulsum,
Excuse
every 5 minutes, Kulsum, you have the question. Every 5 minutes in the lecture. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me.
but sir, I have one question. That's
No, no, you have 100 question and 100 question are out of the topic only. That is the problem.
no, sir.
Otherwise, I am answering every person 10 times. But to you, I think which question will come? Related to topic, if you want to ask, you can ask.
My work is done, Muskan.
Very good question.
My also, Iman.
See, Swachh Bharat is coming from your background only. Iman Fatima,
But in
please
my area,
stop.
it is.
Please. No, no, no. You are only driving the car. Please stop the car.
No.
You will not stop the car. Oh, I understand your job.
No.
Yes, sir.
I am
Iman
doing
Kami
my
is telling.
Iman Fatima, now don't run like a bull here and there, huh? Becoming angry.
job.
No. See,
Sir, I don't join it tomorrow.
see, this was out of the topic again. Oh God, I told you, please
Yes,
don't
sir.
speak. Please, don't type the message.
No, sir. Now voice is coming. No, no.
Because you stopped your car and you came
No.
home.
No. I am
Yes,
only
sir.
See, again,
speaking
again.
my home, and what I did.
What do I say? Okay. But collected the garbages?
Yes.
Huh?
Garbage means kachra.
That I know.
You collected garbages?
No.
I am speaking to Iman Fatima. Why cow is replying me?
Cow is not.
Your voice is like that. Ah.
No, I am not speaking like that.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
She is speaking also.
Yes, see?
No. Kusum is speaking.
Yes, sir.
Now don't pull your hair off each other and fight. I told you now. Ishum, ishum.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir. You tell to write him.
sir, I go out in Imanum. Then she is telling why you sir tell to
First
this
of all,
and
speak
that.
English properly.
Oh,
About
don't
this
tell.
name. Okay, hold on now. Mute your mic properly. Mute your mic. Come on. Do not speak anything. Enough. Okay, now I'm scrolling this Now, please write messages following and make sure you keep the space between part A and part B.
Yes, sir.
See again, yes, sir. No, I told you not to speak anything. Means mute your mic. Don't force me to remove you from the group. Just when you finish writing, only then you have to say yes, sir. Again, mute your mic properly. But write this properly. I want each and everyone's photo daily, whatever work you do. Otherwise, don't expect internal marks from me.
Okay, sir, I will, sir.
Did I ask you now to answer? Action speaks louder than the word. Don't say, just do it. Sur comes from the Uttar Pradesh. See, on the left side, name of the games are there. On the right side, in which state the game is played is written. Now, these all information of match the following is there in the very first paragraph of the lesson. I told you that when I was explaining you the lesson, that first paragraph is important as far as the objective is concerned. So Sur comes from the Uttar Pradesh, Silambam comes from the Tamil Nadu, Dukkhel comes from the Assam, Thoda is from the Himachal Pradesh, Asol Aap is from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Atya Patya game is from the Maharashtra. And whenever you are writing the name of the states, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Assam, the first letter should be capital as these are the proper nouns. Even the name of the games are the proper noun. Let me make it very clear. If this mistake you will repeat in your fair book, I will not check it. You have 5 more minutes to finish the work.
Yes, sir.
Which girl was there crying? Yes, sir.
No, sir, I'm not crying.
Yes, sir. Sirat Fatima Wakil.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Humera.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Humera. Yes, sir. Dira Arfa.
Whose girl's camera is on?
Yes, sir. Jamani Gati.
Kulsum, your camera is on. Now, from tomorrow onwards, don't come to my class, please. My work has completed, or is completed, or is done.
Sir, and Sayyida. Yes, sir. Musa and Alisha.
Alicia, you got the time after eating samosa to write this?
No, sir. I am
Oh,
not
okay.
eating samosa.
Okay, I forgot. Arfa was eating. You know, she brought 50 samosa in the morning. And she's munching samosa from when?
Oh,
No, sir. Sir, no, I cannot eat samosa.
Very bad, Arfa. At a time you can eat 50 samosa.
Oh, sir.
Last I saw elephant eating such things.
Oh, sir. No, I cannot eat samosa.
You cannot eat, you can just gobble up 50 at a time.
Yes.
Fighting with brother all the time.
No, sir.
Okay, mute my people. Jokes apart. Girls, today I will send you the objective. That means hard words means and give one word in your group. With that, five things will be done. Hard words meaning give one word, match the following, FB, everything. Then note it down in your fact book properly. Because from tomorrow onwards, perhaps we will start the new lesson, lesson number 10. I hope you people are enjoying this lecture where you can see my face and I can show you the expression, hand movements, I can show you and explain you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like your lecture.
Some cats are there in our class. Meow, yes, sir, speaking.
No, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
this is a cat, number
No,
one.
sir.
Cat number two.
No, sir.
Cat number three. Cat
No,
number
sir.
four. Cat number five.
No, sir.
Sir, my work is done.
Oh, big cat.
No, sir.
Oh, elephant who is also there.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No,
Now
sir. We
cow
are.
is there, cow.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
See?
No, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
bull is also there.
No, sir.
Sparrow.
No, sir.
Sir, pigeon is.
No, sir.
Oh God. Who was this crocodile?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let me drink my coffee.
No, sir.
What no,
No,
sir? I
sir.
want
Sir,
to
we
drink
are not
coffee.
animals.
No, you are
Yes,
not
sir.
animals. Animals are good. You are not animals. You are bad.
No, sir. No, sir. We have not. No, sir.
Okay, that is the end of our today's session. I hope you people were writing whatever was asked and you have written the objectives here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, people, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Have a nice day. Good.